Preparation for painting weatherboards can be time-consuming. It's worth doing this part right to give your colour the most impact and to ensure your boards will stand the test of time. The condition of the boards you'll be painting will determine how you prepare them. Are they pre-primed, pre-painted, old or new? If new weatherboards have been left exposed to the elements for more than 2 weeks, give them a good wash down and sand them back, removing any greyed timber. If your boards are old, there may be visible flaking paint, but it's best to be thorough and use a scraper to go over all the boards, removing any loose flakes. Some pre-painted boards might look okay, but it's important to test the adhesion of the existing paint. To conduct an adhesion test, score a small letter X into the paint and apply a piece of sticky tape over it. Press down and then rip it off quickly. If there are any flakes of paint on the tape, the paint will need to be removed by sanding back. When painting pre-primed or pre-painted flat boards, it's best to contact the manufacturer for their preparation advice, which can differ from traditional surfaces. The next step in preparation is to fill any holes with an exterior filler and then sand off. Always finish with a wipe down to remove dust and other particles. Mask off any areas that aren't to be painted, including window and door frames, light fittings and other fixtures. Now you are ready to start painting. For the exterior of your home, Dulux Weathershield with Maxiflex technology will give a tough, flexible finish for long life protection against all Australian weather conditions. It is also self-priming on most surfaces, including timber, bricks and concrete, so long as the surface is well prepared. Start by cutting in around all of the edges, working your way down from top to bottom. Don't cut in too far ahead, as painting over dry paint will give an uneven finish. Then paint the underside of the boards with a brush before working your way along the boards with either a roller or a brush, using long, even strokes. Always work along the full length of the boards to avoid overlap. Once complete, wait around 2 hours for that coat to dry and repeat with your next coat. So there you have it. Transform the look of your home with these easy steps.